For this DIY, you're gonna need some frames. Now these are 5x7 frames from the Dollar Tree. I really like them. They have that farmhouse look. I like that. I also printed some little bunnies from the internet that are free clip art. What you're gonna do is you're gonna cut these out, and then let me show you. You're gonna take some lace that you have, and you're gonna cut out the silhouette of the bunny. Then we're gonna take burlap, cover the frame background, and put the bunny on the burlap. It's so cute, so simple. Then you're gonna take your pom-pom and glue it to your bunny. Then you'll have a cute little arrangement of trio of bunnies. So I'm gonna do that really quick and show you what that looks like when they're done. To make the bunnies look like this, so cute, I cut out my bunny pieces out of paper. Then I take my lace. I had some lace. It doesn't matter which direction it's going. And I just lay my bunny on there. I pin it down and I cut out the bunny. Then I'll show you, but I put the bunny in with the adhesive side will be on the colored side because that's where I'm going to put the lace. This is my Xyron sticker maker. So the bunnies fit just perfectly in there. And I'm going to apply that adhesive. You rub it and it's really cool. So anyway, going to show you how to do this and put it together really quick. The easiest way to cut the lace, because lace is pretty fragile, is to go ahead and put the adhesive on your bunny. So I want my adhesive on the colored side. I put the bunny through the label maker. If you don't have a label maker, you don't have to do it this way, but this is a pretty fast way to do it. You can just, you know, glue. And I am doing it because I like the color shining through. You could just put the lace down if you wanted to, but I really like the color shining through on mine. So okay, so the next thing you need to do is to cut out the bunny again, basically with the adhesive on it, and then you'll lay the bunny on the lace and cut it out, and it will stick really well. Okay, so once you get your adhesive removed from your bunny, you're going to take your bunny and lay it straight down on your lace. I want to make sure I get it on here pretty good, and then smooth it in. I usually cut a piece off a little bit beyond just to give me some room to work. Then I'm going to take this and cut it out. Now all three bunnies are cut out and they have lace on them. So you want to give them their little pom-pom tail like that. So I'm just going to put that on with a little hot glue and just like that. Really, really cute and adorable. Actually very pretty. All three bunnies have their tails. We're going to let those set over here out of the way. Just set them over here. Now, open your frame and put the burlap in the frame. We're going to take that out. And we need to cover this size here. And here's bunny number 1. So let's do the next one. Okay, just real quickly, put your burlap on the back of your frame. Put it back in the frame. If you need to trim it, go ahead and do that. Close the little fasteners and tabs on your frame. Got that cute frame there. You're going to take your bunny, add your glue. If you want to use a different kind of glue, that's fine. Again, just put the bunny on, and the liquid glue allows you time to manipulate your picture. And there's our bunny. So let's look at all three. Here's our little trio of bunnies. They are so cute. I just love the way that the lace just makes them a little bit fancy with the burlap and just offsets it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this DIY.